I don't know how to transition because I do want to talk about what happened yesterday, but we don't have time to get into it to like really set it up.
True.
Basically, all right. Yesterday, me, Frank, Tyler, Montreal went to a restaurant in Charlotte. I'm not saying their name because they don't pay us. So, went to a restaurant in Charlotte. It was a Chinese-based restaurant, and we ordered sushi. Is it Chinese? What?
I thought sushi was a Japanese thing. I don't know.
It's an Asian restaurant.
It's an Asian restaurant that doesn't pay us, so we're not saying the name anyway. So we are waiting on our order for sushi, and we hear a loud sneeze. And I don't know how to picture this, but if you can imagine, everyone in this restaurant took a hard pause and looked at everyone else in the restaurant. Like,
you know how when you were in elementary school when they dropped the pan in the kitchen and they just got quiet.
Yeah,
that's what it was.
Or somebody dropped the plate. Like when shit just, what the fuck was that? Yeah, like when somebody pop a balloon and you like, oh shit, was that a shot? Was that one of those? And I'm not gonna lie, I have never been more scared to eat food after that. They brought my plate first. That was some bullshit.
Yeah, they brought your shit first, and our shit was like, they had to remake our shit. Your shit had snot all on it.
Hey, come on, don't do that.
Dead ass.
But that was a funny ass moment.
Joint Podcast episode 29. Rest in peace, Kareem.
Oh shit, you was thinking ahead.